Sensory language is any language that evokes the reader's senses. In other words, sensory language allows the reader to feel, taste, hear, see, or smell the descriptions used in a text. Imagery is the most common form of sensory language because, by definition, it describes the way something feels, tastes, sounds, looks, or smells. However, metaphors, similes, onomatopoeia, personification, and other literary elements can also provide the reader with a sensory experience that enhances the text. By utilizing sensory language, you can add depth to your composition, poetry and prose alike, by packing an array of physical sensations into concise writing. Consider the short poem Dreams by Langston Hughes. The poem's main idea is simply that losing sight of your dreams makes life meaningless. However, the sensory language included in the poem forces the reader to experience just how meaningless a life without dreams can be. Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, my son, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, oh boy, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. While Hughes's poem utilizes some imagery, it uses other poetic tools to convey a sensory experience to the audience. Dreams are personified in the second line, as only a living being can die. The reader envisions a dream as a living being and then witnesses its death. The third and fourth lines include a metaphor that portrays a life without dreams as an injured bird. The final stanza includes a striking imagery-packed metaphor to convey the stark, cold emptiness of a life without dreams. Hughes could have simply urged readers to keep their dreams alive by warning them that life otherwise has no meaning. However, the poem's images of helplessness and personification of the death of dreams have carried Hughes's message to audiences for a century. Consider using sensory language not only in your poetry, but in your informational and persuasive writing as well. Audiences are more likely to understand and believe factual information that is woven into the fabric of their own physical and emotional experiences.